Tucked away, surrounded by trees on the edge of the Thoresby Estate, White Lodge is a landmark family home extensively remodelled for the way people live today. Behind its elegant facade lies a home that's been carefully refined. The main house provides beautifully balanced living, while the detached leisure annexe transforms the way the estate can be enjoyed. Not all country houses are created equal, and White Lodge is in a class of its own. A home can tell you a great deal within the first few minutes of arriving, through proportion, natural light and quality of its finish. Straight off the entrance hall, the flow takes us straight into the formal sitting room. I love the amount of original features in here, the original window shutters. This is all a nod to the history of this house. This is a beautiful room, it's calm, it's comfortable, it's quietly elegant. It's a room you're going to want to return to time and time again. Naturally, of a house of this calibre, we have that formal dining room, and for those quieter evenings, there's a really comfortable family room, and its elegant decoration complements this space wonderfully. The kitchen has become the measure of every modern home. It needs to be practical enough for everyday life and beautiful enough for every occasion, and here it achieves both with ease. Completing the ground floor, we've got a utility room, a boot room, walk-in pantry and extensive cellars, which are home to a brand new heating system. Upstairs, there are 5 excellent bedrooms, each with their own character. There's also a recently renovated family bathroom, but it's the principal suite which really stands out. Firstly, you're met with a stunning large bathroom. Steps then lead down into the height of luxury with a fully fitted dressing room. And completing the suite is, of course, the principal bedroom. Elegantly decorated and timelessly presented, this suite feels a world away from the rest of the home. Immediately to the rear is a traditional courtyard of outbuildings, providing garaging, gym, home office and plenty of storage. What elevates this home even more is you've got a completely self-contained leisure annexe which changes the dynamics of how you live here. This large entertainment terrace speaks for itself, yet inside we've got a setup with a kitchen, games room and handcrafted bar. So perfect for those that enjoy entertaining. I cannot think of a space better than this. That said, this could easily be adapted for use as a more traditional annexe. With its tree-lined approach and extensive grounds, this is a perfect setting to host a home of this importance, which was once a part of the neighbouring Thoresby Estate. So that's White Lodge, a substantial, impressive, elegant home providing an exceptional lifestyle, all sat within the privacy of its own grounds.